Welcome to episode 6 of Networking Basics. Today, we'll explore NAT, firewalls, and VPNs for secure internet connections. First, Network Address Translation, or NT, allows multiple devices on a private network to share a single public IP address. NAT translates private IP addresses to a public one when data leaves your network and vice versa when it returns. Next, firewalls are your network's first line of defense, monitoring and controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic. Firewalls enforce security rules, deciding which traffic is allowed or blocked, protecting your network from threats. Finally, VPNs, or virtual private networks, create a secure, encrypted connection over less secure networks like the internet. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it unreadable to anyone who might intercept it and masks your IP address. Together, NT, firewalls, and VPNs form a powerful trio, essential for maintaining privacy and security in our digital world. Understanding these tools empowers you to navigate the internet safely. Join us next time for more networking basics.